Welcome to ProTech Custom Gear and ProTech Firearms Academy. I'm Steven. Today we're going to talk about cleaning your gun and how often you should do it. We get asked that question a lot on the range and in training, is how often should I clean my gun? And to be honest, if you're carrying a modern day sidearm from a reputable manufacturer, you know, one of the big guys, you really only need to clean your gun every 1,000 rounds or so, barring any, consistent malfunctions. If you start to see a lot of malfunctions, then clean your gun. Otherwise, if the gun's functioning properly, leave it be. Maybe add a little bit of lubrication to the rails when you got the slide back, put a dot on it, and leave it be and let it run. Because to be honest, taking your gun apart and putting it back together a whole bunch of times can cause more damage to it sometimes than just shooting it will. Because you can put things in the wrong way, you can break components taking them out or putting them in. It's better to just let it run. Take care, guys, and stay safe out there.